Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix Docker desktop requires a newer WSL kernel version error in Windows 11 or 10. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you don't miss any important step or information, and without further ado, let's get on it. So the first fix that you need to do here is to identify the current WSL version. So to do this, just open the command prompt or PowerShell window as administrator, and you can do this by pressing the Windows key, typing the CMD or PowerShell, and selecting the corresponding application. So the version number typically consists of major and minor version components. So for example, it might be displayed as 1 or 1.0. So just note, if the version is displayed as 1 or 1.0, it indicates that you are using the first generation of the WSL, which may not be compatible with the newer requirements of Docker Desktop. And then after you've done this, what you can do next is to open the Windows feature. So once you open Windows feature, make sure that the virtual machine platform or the Windows hypervisor and the Windows subsystem for Linux are checked. So if not, tick them and then simply press the apply or the OK button to save the changes. And then after you've done this, you need to open the PowerShell as administrator. So you must open PowerShell as administrator as if not would trigger a permission. So in the PowerShell, run the following command right here to enable the WSL1. So this is the command, so you can just copy it from here. So after you've done this, just download the WSL2 from the Microsoft documentation. So use this link right here to download the package given and run the application on your computer. So don't worry, because I'm going to link this one right here, description down below. So you can just check this on there. And then after you've downloaded this one, change the WSL2 to your default version. So run the command right here to change the default version to the WSL2. And now you're good to go. So that's it. That's all that you need to do for it to be able to fix the problem with your Docker desktop. So I hope this video helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you don't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.